Welcome to the SkyGrow Indoor Smart Green Wall Installation Guide. We'll show you how to set up and program the automation unit. This is the grow lamp cap. It must be fixed onto the structure as shown. Secure it using the 2 screws provided from behind. This is the grow lamp extension bar. Pass the grow lamp wire through the extension bar. Attach it to the grow lamp cap using the supplied bolt and nut, then tighten securely. Pass the grow lamp wire through the cap hole and the structure hole. Connect the grow lamp extension bar to the grow lamp cap using the supplied bolt and nut, and tighten properly. Keep the structure horizontal to make this step easier. With 2 people, straighten the structure and connect it to the tank as shown. Fix 2 bolts on each side and tighten well to ensure the structure is securely attached to the tank. Measure and cut the irrigation line using a scissor. Connecting the grow lamp power connection. Connect the current line properly using the connector, ensuring red to red and blue to blue. These are the side covers. Fix them in place by tightening the screws provided from the reverse side of the panel. On the right-hand side, you'll find the timers for the lights, and on the left-hand side, you have the timer for the water pump. So, for this demonstration, let's focus on the timer that controls the water pump. Programming the timer, let me introduce the buttons on this unit. This is the manual button, and this is the programming P button. Then we have the day, hour, and minute buttons. This is the cancel, reset button. For now, just ignore it. And this one here is the clock button, while this is the cancel button. Before starting any programming, first, let's confirm that this timer is the one controlling the motor. Press the manual button once. You'll notice the indicator light blinking, and you'll hear the motor running. Now switch it off again. If there's already a built-in program, you need to clear it first. To do that, press the C, cancel, button once. This automatically deletes any previous program. Now, press the manual button again. You'll hear the motor running and see the light blinking, which means the motor is on. Turn it off using the manual button again. You should now see it in auto mode. Make sure it is set to auto mode with the motor and light off. This means it's ready to be reprogrammed. First, we'll set the current date and time. Press and hold the clock button. Then press the day button repeatedly until you reach Saturday, today. Next, while still holding the clock button, press the hour button until it shows 9 a.m. Then press the minute button until it shows 9:05. Now the current time is set to 9:05 a.m. on Saturday. Next, let's set up the watering program. Press the P, program, button. You'll see the display showing, on. This is where we set the time for the motor, or pump, to turn on. We want the system to turn on at 10 a.m. every day. Press the day button to select all days, Monday through Sunday. Now set the hour to 10, and we can skip the minutes for now. Next, we'll set the off time, the time the motor should stop. Press the P button again, and you'll see off on the display. Select all days again, then set the off time. Since we want it to run for about 20 minutes, the off time will be 10:20 a.m. Once done, press the clock button to confirm all the settings. Now you'll see the current time displayed again. It's Saturday, 9:05 a.m. The program is now successfully set. Use a hose pipe and fill water to the tan. Make sure you top up the tank every week. After filling the tank, make sure you close the lid properly to prevent mosquito breeding. Now it's all set. Time to add your favorite indoor plants. SkyTech Engineering, we bring nature closer to you.